You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 63, creating a change request. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on Jira Service Management and we'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management under spaces, and then we are going to move ahead. We are going to scroll down and click on operations, and then on next to search bar we have an option called create. We are going to click on create. In space we are going to keep NetSoft IT Service Management. Work type we are going to select change management. Request type we are going to keep request a change, and then on behalf of Brian Tracy, so we'll give over here Brian Tracy, and in summary we are going to mention this: upgrade database. Okay. Description, we are going to provide a detailed description. We'll move ahead and we are going to provide, here we'll provide change type which is standard. Impact is going to be moderate. Urgency is medium. Change risk is medium. Change reason is upgrade. And we are going to add implementation date. We'll scroll down here. You will see planned start date and planned end date. So planned start date, we'll select today's date. Let's keep it. You can select next day as well. 1 p.m. Next day you are going to select okay. Now, and then we are going to click on create. Now, let's move ahead. We are going to expand changes. Click on default, click on all changes, and here you will have the change that you have raised. It should be listed over here. For me, the NIA is NIA 14, and for you it might be different. Let's open this change and we are going to review the details. Okay. Brian Tracy, priority, all these details are there. Planned start, planned end. So planned start and planned end is that you are planning when an activity will be started and an estimated time by what time the activity should be completed. If you want to extend time, in that case, approval and notifications are sent to management. It depends upon organization to organization as per the process. So in this lab, what we did, we have created a change request. With that, we are done with this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.